Secret tricks that are truly useful and everyone should know about. The last one will leave you speechless, wondering how you only knew this now. So let's go ahead and get to know them one by one, shall we? If you have a lock in your house that's holding on to the key doesn't go in and out easily, the solution is simple. Just use a little white chalk. Rub the chalk directly on the lock. Then also rub it a little bit on the key on both sides. Once this done, insert and remove the key from the lock a few times. The chalk, besides cleaning the lock, also facilitates sliding. And with this process, you see how the key will go in and out more easily. Not everyone knows how to clean this part of the window. Some use brushes and others even a vacuum cleaner. But it doesn't always work because some tracks are hard to reach. But you can solve this with a simple dishwashing sponge. Place the sponge on the track and mark exactly on the gaps of your window. Once that's done, simply cut where you mark it, and then you can use it to clean the window. And guys, tell me if that's not amazing, very handy. When the strap of your flip-flop breaks, you don't need to throw it away in order to buy a new one, much less use an object to fix it, like a wire or nail. To restore it and make it like new, just do the following. First, heat a metal object directly on the stove. When it's piping hot, touch it on the tip of the toe post of the strap. Then, place the broken little circle on top and slowly remove the metal object. Now hold for a few seconds. The hot object is gonna melt the rubber, and once it cools down, it's gonna glue it together, fixing your flip-flops. See how secure it is? It's surely gonna buy you some time. In many cities, power outages are common, whether due to natural events or maintenance on the electrical grid. This causes food to thaw and then freeze again. And that's very bad because the food can spoil. Especially if you're not at home and may not even realize the power went out. But you can solve this problem with a simple coin. Take a container and fill it with water. Then put in the freezer and leave it until the water freezes. Once that's done, just go ahead and place a coin on top and then return it to the freezer. If you come home and the coin is still on top, it means there was no power outage enough to melt the ice. But if you find that the coin is at the bottom or has sunk a little, it means there was a power outage enough to melt the ice and the coin descended. Therefore, it's important to check your food before consuming it. When we buy soda, it comes with a lot of gas, which makes it much more flavorful. But as the hours go by, the gas runs out. All because you're storing it wrong. That's right. Whenever you put soda in the fridge, leave it upside down. So the gas will be concentrated in this part, preventing it from escaping. But if you put it upright, the gas escapes little by little through the opening of the cap. So it goes away quickly. Try this at home, you're gonna thank me later. So that's it, I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite tip and which ones you didn't know. Thanks for watching and I see you guys in the next video.